Hello students, today we're going to solve a function related past paper questions taken from O-level mathematics base syllabus. This question is taken from May-June 2018 question 11 and variant 1-2. So they give us a function fx equals to 1 by 3x plus 2. So in part A of this question, they tell us to find f of minus 2. So basically we need to replace x with minus 2 and find the value. So f of minus 2 equals to 1 by 3 minus 2 plus 2. So if you multiply 3 and minus 2, we get minus 6 plus 2. So minus 1 by 4 is our answer. So in part B, they tell us to find f inverse x. So to find f inverse x, first we need to let y equals to 1 by 3x plus 2. Then we need to make x subject. To make x subject, we need to cross multiply this. So y multiplied by 3x plus 2 equals to 1. Then we expand this 3xy plus 2y equals to 1. Then we isolate x related term, which is 3xy. To do so, we need to move 2y to the right side. So 1 minus 2y. Then x equals to 1 minus 2y, 1 minus 2y by 3y, as 3y is multiplied with x. In step 3, we need to interchange x and y. So finally this becomes y equals to 1 minus 2x by 3x. So this is basically f inverse x equals to 1 minus 2x by 3x. So this is our answer, 1 minus 2x by 3x. Thank you, students.